The Road Less Taken. Sam Altman's ChatGPT Gamble. In a world where artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace, one man's gamble is shaping the future of industry. It's not just any man, but Sam Altman, the mastermind behind OpenAI. Today, we'll explore the interesting story of Sam Altman's bold move with ChatGPT. We'll look into the beginnings of this game-changing chatbot, the technical wizardry that powers it, the ethical questions it raises, as well as its tremendous impact on the public perception. When ChatGPT debuted on 30th November 2022, it created a seismic shift in the worldwide commercial and political scene. In just 2 months, it garnered a remarkable 100 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing apps ever. Companies, sensing the promise of this game-changing AI, began seeking ways to employ it to streamline their operations, which typically meant fewer human jobs. This AI craze sparked major growth in the IT sector during 2023. The twist is that ChatGPT's AI hype provoked a national debate. Experts debated whether the benefits of AI exceeded the costs, while policymakers strove to understand the technology before regulating it. And one key player in the push for AI regulation, Sam Altman, emerged as a vocal proponent of ethical expansion in his booming business. Background: Samuel Harris Altman, born in Chicago in 1985, grew up with a natural interest in computers and coding. Raised in a Jewish family in St. Louis, Missouri, he was introduced to the world of technology at a very young age. Altman got his first computer when he was only 8 years old, and his obsession with technology took off. By that age, he had already learned how to program and even disassemble and repair computers, demonstrating his exceptional talent. His academic path brought him to John Burroughs School. However, after a year of studying computer science at Stanford University, like many tech entrepreneurs, Altman took a risk and dropped out, foregoing the pursuit of a bachelor's degree. Who knew his incredible path into the worlds of technology and enterprise would begin with this early departure? After he left college in 2005, Sam Altman co-founded Loopt, a social networking mobile app where users could share their location with selective friends. By 2012, Loopt had been acquired by the Green Dot Corporation. His next stop was Y Combinator, a startup accelerator. A startup accelerator is a program that provides tools, mentorship, and capital to early-stage companies in order to help them develop and prosper in a short amount of time. He joined in 2011 and was made president 3 years later. During his tenure as CEO, he more than doubled the company's performance.
I knew that somehow or other I wanted to work with computers.
In December 2015, a consortium comprised of Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Reid Hoffman, Jessica Livingston, Peter Thiel, Elon Musk, and major contributors such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Infosys, and YC Research formed OpenAI, committing an impressive sum of over $1 billion to the initiative. This was a non-profit organization, and Sam Altman was one of the initial board members. Who knew one day OpenAI would be known by Altman's name? The journey towards OpenAI. Sam Altman made a dramatic career change in 2020, abandoning his post as the CEO of Y Combinator to fully dedicate himself to his nonprofit organization OpenAI. The company was founded in 2015 with significant funding from noteworthy investors. Microsoft pledged a whopping $1 billion as an initial investment. Elon Musk left OpenAI in 2018, and Sam Altman took over as CEO the following year. Altman's decision to pivot from Y Combinator to OpenAI's nonprofit pursuit was indeed a gamble that would ultimately reshape the landscape of artificial intelligence and human-computer interaction in the long run. This gamble made Altman push the boundaries of innovation, forging a path less taken in the world of technology and AI. In 2018, OpenAI made waves in the early stages of AI development with its Dota 2 vs OpenAI matches. These high-profile battles pitted professional Dota 2 players against OpenAI's sophisticated artificial intelligence. The success of OpenAI's bots in Dota 2 demonstrated not only AI's potential in complicated real-time strategy games, but also its adaptability, strategic skill, and teamwork qualities. These tests generated debate about AI's role in competitive gaming and its larger implications, marking an important step forward in AI's quest to navigate complex, dynamic environments. By 2023, Sam Altman's name had become synonymous with OpenAI's revolutionary work. It's worth noting that ChatGPT emerged from OpenAI's older GPT-3 technology, which is a considerable step forward. OpenAI, backed by billions of dollars in funding, shot to prominence in November 2022 when it released ChatGPT, its generative AI. This artificial intelligence marvel sparked excitement in the corporate sector and caught the imagination of newbies and industry experts alike. On March 14, 2023, GPT-4, which is a multimodal big language model and the newest addition to OpenAI's remarkable range of GPT foundation models, was formally introduced. This represented a tremendous advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, revolutionizing industries with AI advancements. Let's have a look at the positive aspects first. AI language model breakthroughs have ushered in a new era of automation and creativity, with OpenAI's ChatGPT emerging as a noteworthy player. This adaptable language model has the potential to transform a variety of sectors. For example, customer service, where ChatGPT's real-time data processing and precise responses offer a more pleasant client experience. With ChatGPT's strong linguistic skills, long wait periods, and repetitive inquiries are quickly becoming a thing of the past. ChatGPT's content creation skills in the media and content creation sector could result in considerable cost reductions for companies that rely on human-created material. Furthermore, its ability to analyze massive data sets in real time could provide media businesses with important insights into consumer behavior. This will allow them to create more compelling content. Now the question is ChatGPT better than other AI writers? Let's look at the evidence. GPT-4 created text that remarkably resembled human writing in a tool tester study, rating 16.4% higher in human-like quality than GPT 3.5. Surprisingly, over 53% of respondents in a survey believe that ChatGPT's content in finance, health, technology, travel, and entertainment seem to be written or edited by people. The fact that ChatGPT can process large amounts of medical data has the potential to revolutionize diagnosis and treatment in healthcare. Such providers could profit from faster, more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment recommendations, eventually improving patient care. ChatGPT's data processing power offers potential for a variety of industries, including manufacturing, finance, and research. It could accelerate innovation and the delivery of new products and solutions to the market by recognizing trends and providing valuable insights.
I think people should be happy that we're a little bit scared of this.
Balancing AI potential and responsibility. Although there are several benefits of OpenAI, Altman's work has sparked crucial conversations regarding responsible AI development, as well as the attendant safety and hazards. The commitment of OpenAI to utilizing AI for the benefit of humanity while limiting potential risks has received both praise and criticism. It's critical to understand that prominent people like Altman are vulnerable to differing viewpoints. While some perceive him as an innovative entrepreneur and thought leader, others may have reservations about his beliefs and conduct. ChatGPT has created big waves worldwide since its inception, opening up new opportunities for millions of users who have experimented with this groundbreaking conversational chatbot. The power of artificial intelligence, on the other hand, comes with its own set of obstacles. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has emphasized the genuine dangers that AI poses, emphasizing its ability to transform civilization.
I think that AI will be a technological revolution on the scale of the agricultural, the industrial, the computer revolution.
Altman voiced particular concern about massive language models being utilized for wide-scale disinformation campaigns. He also raised the possibility of AI being used for offensive cyber attacks. Nonetheless, he believes AI has the potential to be one of society's most significant technological achievements.
I do think disinformation is becoming a bigger challenge in the world.
The hallucination problem. Prior to appearing before the Senate, Altman spoke with Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff. They talked about a major issue in AI, the hallucination problem. This is when a huge language model confidently gives fictional replies as if they were facts. Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, described it as lies. Altman, on the other hand, gave a different viewpoint. He contended that these hallucinations are not necessarily defects, but rather characteristics of generative AI. Instead of just regurgitating database information, these models add value by creating innovative and creative replies based on user input. Altman noted that the initial influence of AI has been in creative industries, defying the earlier idea that technology would mostly impact monotonous activities. This is exactly the purpose, he added, because generative AI excels at presenting existing data in novel, creative ways, altering how we approach creative endeavors.
A lot of the value from these systems is heavily related to the fact that they do hallucinate.
The importance of customized AI systems is emphasized by Sam Altman. He believes that consumers should be able to define the rules and values for their AI. The choice should be yours between a safe and inoffensive AI and a more creative, exploratory AI that may test limits. This technique tackles AI bias concerns, while also ensuring that AI matches individual preferences. Then, talking about the education sector, Altman acknowledges the concerns about AI's impact on education, particularly AI-generated plagiarism. While efforts to detect AI-generated content can be made, he highlighted that we must adjust to this new reality. Just as calculators changed math education, AI requires us to rethink how we assess learning, with both challenges and benefits. What are your views on this hot-button issue? Altman personally likes AI's educational potential, choosing to learn using ChatGPT rather than traditional textbooks. This exemplifies AI's role as an instructional tool. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is considered to be strong AI. The aim of AGI is to create software that mimics human-like thinking abilities. These systems are designed to handle any tasks humans can, even when faced with unfamiliar challenges. When asked about commenting on the timescale for obtaining AGI, Altman said that, "The closer we get, the harder time I have answering, because I think it's going to be much blurrier and much more of a gradual transition than people think." The stark warning. As AI technologies like ChatGPT evolve at a rapid pace, both the general public and tech specialists are concerned about their potential to replace human jobs. Some regard AI as a useful assistance, while others see it as a job-stealing machine. In this conversation, famous AI thinker Sam Altman believes that this technology will undoubtedly have an influence on jobs. Jobs are definitely going away, full stop. His statement emphasizes the inevitability of AI-induced job landscape changes. While others may stay optimistic about the role of AI in boosting human labor, Altman's viewpoint serves as a disturbing warning of the tremendous changes that are still to come. Although AI has the ability to make the future brighter and less painful, achieving this takes more than a company's flexible charter. It necessitates a new and strong political approach to ensure that AI benefits us all while minimizing its threats. Whether it succeeds or fails, Altman's role in pushing the boundaries of AI technology is unquestionably significant, and the consequences will be felt across industries and society as a whole.
I think the world is going to find out that if you can have 10 times as much code at the same price, you can just use even more.